Hello, John here with another video. This came from me a week or so ago, and the reason why I haven't done an unboxing video until now is because I had to buy a power supply for it and I wanted to be able to demonstrate what I'd got. So what I've managed to get hold of is, if I can get it out, is a white ZX Spectrum. Now the difference between this ZX Spectrum and your normal one is it's not a normal one. This is the Just Speccy 128. So you've got the traditional expansion port and your power socket, but you've also got the div MMC system. So there's a solid state 8GB card in there, so put that back in. If I can get it back in. Now back in. And then you've got your traditional tape port, speaker port. Oops, sorry. Tape port, speaker port, serial port, and then a composite video using S-video. And the beauty of this is it's got two buttons, yeah? One of them fires up the MMC card, and the other one is supposed to convert it from a 48K to a 128K, and so it becomes a 128 Spectrum. It's very nice, clean, there's nothing wrong with it, and it'll be interesting to see what this comes out like. But as well as getting one of these, which is the white, the bundle came with one of these. A ZX Spectrum in blue. Now this one has been painted. It looks like they've bought a blue face plate and a blue keyboard to go with it, but it looks like they've actually painted the black case. And it's very well done, but it's a traditional ZX Spectrum. So you've got your power support, expansion port, tape and audio, and the RF lead. But this one has been modded, so it's now composite. But this is a traditional ZX Spectrum 48K. So it's going to be interesting to see how this works. Now, I found these two because all that's left in here is power supply and the cable. I found these two on eBay, and no one was really bidding on them. When I come to them, they'd got 2 bids or something, and they were fairly cheap, ridiculously cheap. So I waited for it to expire. And I did one of those eBay snipers where you jump in right at the very last minute, and I got them for just over £40. Both 40 quid. So we're going to plug them into the telly, and we're going to see how they work, and if they work. Have I spent 40 quid properly? Right, I will see you in a minute. Take care. Bye. Right then, I've set up the Just Speccy 128, plugged it into the TV. So let's see what happens when we power it on. Right, here we go, putting the power socket in. And immediately it's going straight into the the Div FMC operating system, and it looks like it's fired up the 48 mode. So let's see, 10 space print, oops, as usual, keep forgetting, enter 20 space print is great. Great. Takes ages on in 48 mode. 30. Go to 10. Enter. Run. Yes. Right, we'll break out of that. There we go. And we'll press the Div MMC button. There we go. And it looks like there's some stuff on here. So if we scroll down, I wonder what that is. Manic. Enter. Oh no. So it looks like it's not running those, right? Okay. This is what came on when I bought it, so let's see if there's any. Let's have a look under Z80. Right. No. Nope. Right, so down we go. Let's see if we can find something. Oh, 445. There's going to be a few going down on this one, isn't there? Can I go left? Ah, that's better. That's pages. I wonder if Manic's on here. No, it's not. Right, I wonder if Jet Set Willie's on here. Jet Set Willie, there we go. Press enter. Oh, didn't like it. I'm going to have to look at this disc and yeah, it's not liking it. See if it likes anything. No. Right, okay. Let's try some of these down here. Nah, looks like the card's corrupted, must be, 'cause it's not loading anything in. If we do J's, where's J? Let's see if any of the demos work. Nah, it's not loading anything in. Which is a shame. I'll have to sort out the card. See if it's corrupted, it won't do it. Hobbit Now, nothing's doing it, unfortunately, which is a shame because I was hoping to have it work. Q. Nah. Yeah, nothing's working at the moment. That's alright. Right, let's see if we can put it into 128 mode. Well, that's that one. Ooh. The other switch doesn't work. Right, we're going to have to look inside it and see what the problem is. Alright then, we'll leave it from there and we'll see what's inside it. I'll get the blue one set up now. Won't be a second. Bye. Hello, John again. This time we got the blue Speccy hooked up. So we know the just Speccy works, just needs some work doing to it, find out why it wasn't loading images. So let's power this one up. Well, it works. It works. Right, let's see if we can do the old school coder program. So 10 print oh, missing some characters. Got to be a bit firmer with the keys. John 20 print is great. I'm getting better now. 30 go to 10 run. Now there's a little bit of shadowing going on, but not a lot. So that looks like it works a treat. So I've got a custom made Spectrum, a blue one, blue Spectrum 48, and I've got a just Speccy 128 for 40 quid. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another video about trying to find out why the div MMC doesn't work, as in it won't load the images, and also why it won't go into 128 mode. So I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.